Need to cancel your NBA League Pass subscription on YouTube TV? Don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to do it. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, go to the Billing section. Here, you'll see a list of your current subscriptions and add-ons. Look for NBA League Pass in the list of active services. If you don't see it right away, scroll down to the Add-ons section. It should be listed there. Once you've located NBA League Pass, click the option to cancel or remove it. You may be asked to confirm your decision. Just follow the prompts to finalize the cancellation. After canceling, you'll still have access to NBA League Pass until the end of your current billing cycle. But it won't renew after that. Keep in mind that if you're unsure about canceling, you can always resubscribe later if needed. And that's it! Now you know how to cancel NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.